This is the day 16 of the Python challenge, and things are getting interesting. Today, we are combining loops and using them to solve structured problems. So let's build that logic together, layer by layer.
So till the time some condition is true, your while loop will work. Now, the third most important thing, which is nested loops. Nested loop means loop inside a loop. So let's say you are doing some work, and let's say you want to do that work 100 times. For example, you want to print a statement 100 times, right? Or maybe you want to print the numbers from 1 to 100, but every time while printing you want to print, let's say, 5 times dollar. So don't you think it's a loop inside loop? So for a particular thing you want to do, inside that thing you want to do something again and again. That is nothing but nested loop. So the nested loop means loop inside loop, right? So let's see this with an example. So here the outer loop, you can think of it like is doing some work, and the inner loop is nothing but doing the some another work again and again which is required for that outer work, right? It's as simple as that. So here we want to put, let's say there is let's take an example of the factory again. Let's say while putting the toys into the boxes, we also want to put a sticker and the company label before pushing the box. So don't you think inside that particular task, like you are filling a box 9 times, then again 9 times, but while filling the box 9 times, you want to do some other task also again and again, right? So this is how the nested loop works. Let's see how we can write it. Let me comment this out. So let's take the same example what I was giving, right? So let's say I want to write for I in range. I want to take range, let's say 1 to 5. Let's say I want to print I. Print the I. Let's see what will happen. Right? So it has printed from 1 to 3, 4. Let's say I take it from 1 to 6. 1 to 6. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's say for every print, what I want to do is for j in range, let's say I want to put again 1, 2, or let's say I put 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, let's say. So basically 1, 2, 3. Then I want to print I, and let's say I also want to print j as well. I want to print j as well. Right? Let's see what will happen. The colon is missing. So see, when I am printing 1, for that I want to print 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 1, 2, 3. Right? So if you see the outer block, I have the range from 1 to 5, and then I want to print from 1 to 3. So I am printing I and j, right? So I am printing I, 1 and then 1. So then I am printing 1 and 2, then 1 and 3. See, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Done. Then you go to the outer block. What will happen? 2. For 2 again you are printing 1, 2, 3. So see, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Right? Then you go to 3. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Then you go to 4. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. Then you go to 5. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. So for every outer block, you want to run a loop inside the inner block as well. Right? So for every outer loop, you want to run something you have a logic where you want to again run a loop. As simple as that, right? So for this outer loop, this is the body. For this inner loop, this is the body. As simple as that, right? So this is how the nested loop works. You can also write the nested loop using the while loop. That will also work in the similar way, right?
You just cracked one of the most asked concepts in coding interviews. Stay consistent. You're doing amazing. Keep the streak going. Like, comment, and share this video with someone who is learning Python too.